shoppers.
Hey, shoppers.
Today we have a robot dog toy, police officer style. It comes with bullets. So the dog is a robot dog that shoots bullets. It is a rechargeable battery. It requires 3 AAA batteries. And if you click the button, he does handshake. He can do attack, or here, sit down. Notice he has red and blue eyes right here, just like a police officer's color. The bullets go in here. There's rotate, so it helps him glide easily across the floor. He's a nice large size, not too small, not too big. He's going to show us how to shoot the bullets. Here, stand right here. All right, hit the button to shoot the bullets. Show him how it's done. So pretty cool that it shoots bullets. He also does push-ups. Woo! Okay. He does a story, dance moves, he does music. He does a swimming motion. You can interact with him. He does like handshakes. He is programmable. The bullets are soft, and there's music and dancing. So there's a button where he will shoot all rounds of bullets at one time.
3.
Which one was that?
Swimming.
Swimming.
Yes. What's this one?
Act cute.
That's not acting cute. He's not.
Oh, that's cool.
What is this one? I did that one really good.